Jackson.
I knew something was up when I heard my name get yelled.
The day it all went down.
I saw something out of Mrs. Dodge's frown.
The day it all got weird.
The day I got expelled.
Please see me by the Sphinx.
Look, if this is about Nancy Bobovich, she only hates me because I tried to get her to stop wedging the first graders.
I have heard much about you, Percy Jackson.
Really? That's very dedicated for a substitute.
Kicked out of 5 schools in 6 years. One might question your parentage.
Hey, don't talk about my mom.
And your father. That's right. You don't know who he is.